please ride them. Please ride them.
Ride them with my asshole.
Real world, yes.
Oh, we're gonna fly.
We're gonna fly!
You
To the
are
real
a
world.
toy! You can't fly! This isn't
stop
flying,
Disney.
it's falling with style.
Fucking yeah, mate!
Spin away, man.
Woo!
Do you hold R2 to go longer?
You hold R2 and you, you fly with it.
Don't go into the ball pit.
God. What did I do?
God, I'm here.
What did I do? I spun it already.
I don't know.
I did it.
Oh, there's one over there, I think.
Over where? Oh yeah.
Fucking yeah, mate. Oh no, I'm gonna miss it. Oh no, I pressed it.
Right, there's a red one as well, look, over there.
I'm on Bobby!
Fucking hell, you made it in one.
I'm a wanna.
She's a wanna, she's not a tour, she's a wanna. She ain't a wanna, she's a tour, she's a wanna. She ain't a wanna, she's a tour.
Come a chameleon. You come and go. You come and go.
Oh, save my
Time
life.
to go bouncy
Save my life.
balls. The balls are bouncy.
Okay, it's okay. Oh jeez, oh jeez.
Oh Jesus.
Whee!
Bouncy balls. The bouncy balls. The bouncy balls.
There's air currents to keep you in the air. Whee!
Fucking
I don't wanna-
yummy.
Whee!
Watashi wa.
Dead. Literally.
God, I'm so good. He's so far behind you now. How does it feel to be a loser?
Oh, you get a really good steep decline on the end, don't you?
Ooh, there's bananas flying at me. Oh, there's bananas flying at me. Ooh.
It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
Levioso.
Alright, an obstacle.
Oh, Lord.
Glad you like it. A lot of it was made by Rose.
It doesn't make it easy.
Bouncy balls.
Our
We all
child is
love bouncy
creative as
balls. She's got an obsession with balls. I'm very proud of her.
balls and bananas.
You're perfect. The perfect combination.
Oh, I didn't press that too.
I'm falling in.
Doesn't
I'm stuck in a
count.
hole.
Oh no, what about behind the bananas?
Oh,
Okay,
how
let's just
shit
die.
you are.
Let's just die. It's fine.
Do you know what that means? It means that you're just not as good as me.
Sure. Sure.
I heard the anger in your
Sure.
voice. And
Sure. Sure.
Imagine if I was playing with Nick.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh my
I'd be like,
yeah.
oh my god.
Oh my god, yeah.
Wee, oh my god.
I'm on the way to happiness and misery.
That's a cool sound. It sounds like the
Can I get
Grudge
a
but tamed.
Can't be tamed. Oh, for fuck's sake.
I was a little bit too enthusiastic.
Right, I'm going 30 seconds to that. Gemma just flies past me to her death. It's time for the trigger finger's coming at me.
All them years of Tekken paid
All
off.
them years of training that fucking finger.
You filth.
I wasn't talking about mutton other than gaming.
Okay.
Okay.
Collaboration.
Collaboration.
He sucked us into a kaleidoscope. Oh, this is going to be trippy, isn't it? Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus, what is going on?
Oh Jesus!
Oh Jesus.
We're inside Rose's kaleidoscope.
Yeah, that's normal.
Inside Rose's butthole. Oh, apparently you can fall to your death, so just watch out for that.
Yeah. I'm obviously better than you because I'm so far ahead of you.
It sounds like it's a remix then. Did you hear it? Oh no, I fell to myself again!
Because I'm just so much better than you.
So funny, Dave. No!
No, it's just death.
Hey.
Oh my god, I wish one of us like
I'm just
remembered.
gonna run. I don't fucking care anymore.
Listen to my words. Do you remember when we? Do you remember when we revised?
I'm gonna die by the end. Oh my god. I made it.
Do you remember when we was like going, hey yeah around the
Yeah, the dead body on Red Dead Redemption.
the dead body, yeah. Hey yeah, and he was like, what's he fucking doing? I made a mini yellow penis.
Oh. Sorry, what?
We can make a big yellow penis if we work together.
Oh. Okay. Should we start back here?
But we can only three. I've made a big bell end. There you go.
Oh. Is that all
We can only do three each. Yeah. It can have a bend to it. So it's got a bend.
Oh no, you've already highlighted 3. It won't
Yeah.
let me.
Do this one here, and then the 2, and then but yeah, that one.
Disappears.
Right. And then that one. I'm pointing.
That one?
Okay, you do yeah, and then go down to the right, yeah. Oh.
It unhighlights. I've said this to you 20 fucking times.
I thought we had 3 each, but we don't, never mind. There's not going to be a big
What does
penis.
this shiny one do here? Oh.
Oh look, we need to do... These are yellow. Does that mean something? You stand on the other one over there. Oh.
Go.
Run.
I've run my whole body behind me.
They've taken the hobbits to Isengard. They're taking it.
Taking the hobbits to Isengard. Jenna,
Oh, they're slippy.
come back here. Stop trying to fucking risk it for a chocolate biscuit. We've got to join the fucking yellow dots.
Chocolate biscuits.
Did you say chocolate? Chocolate!
Chocolate! It's a frickin' double rainbow in here. It's a frickin' American double chicken. This? Wow, I did it. I did mine. I did my side.
Did that.
Yeah, nice. We're so good.
It's a wiggly worm.
Oh, what's that?
Ron.
Oh, stop it, Ron. Stop it, Ron.
Oh. Ron.
Ronald Weasley, how dare you steal that car?
Dumbledore.
I do not know what's going on.
Neither do
I think so.
This is basically
I think this is hell.
everything in life.
Finally.
Oh,
What is this place?
did you hear that sound?
That's your fucking throat.
Whee!
What do we do? Am I supposed to get on this bridge here? Maybe.
It looks
You're saying that.
like, yeah, it looks like.
Bring
And
the
there's that go.
round.
Right, where is it?
Stop! Jesus, Jenna!
Where do you get on? Ah, you get on there.
Send
Okay.
it back. Fucking
Okay,
hell.
hang on. I'm just looking.
Stop! Stop!
Right, do I need to wiggle this?
I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this one, but I'm doing something for you.
Oh, excellent. I feel like you need to follow the other side of the pink.
Follow the yellow brick road.
On that raft, on that shaft, the shafty bit.
What?
Wait.
What are you talking about? No, that's too low. I need the
Yeah,
other
but
side.
the other side. But it won't let me go to the other side.
Go, go, go.
It won't go any further.
Are you sure? I feel like this is a you problem.
They won't go
Turn
any
it round the other
further.
way. Back all
Maybe
the way the other way.
have you got to spin the? No, I tried that. It didn't go. Maybe you've got to spin the blue one. It'll spin the pink one again. Maybe it'll allow me to spin the pink one. Ah.
Does it?
Ah. Yeah. Do that. Wait. Wait.
Oh,
Hold.
come on,
Hold.
come on.
Hold. No. Hold.
Oh, it didn't realise it
Hold.
released.
Wait. Wait. Push. Push.
I
Oh,
can't
pull.
push it
Pull.
anymore.
Pull. Wait. Wait. Wait.
It's annoying that, isn't it?
I can deal with it. Pro gamer. This is tripping now. I'm both moving him. There you go. Now you can get on the pink one. I can see you like
Don't run.
tapping the camera. He just slaps into the wall, slid down slowly.
Now where do I go?
I don't fucking know.
Oh, I'm sailing! I'm sailing! What are you doing
I'm
to me?
spinning you. I'm spinning you.
Stop, 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 stop.
Da, 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 da.
Let's go, this way. Where are you going?
Chasing the stairs, leaving me.
No
The
man
stairs
left
were
behind!
leaving me.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do here, but...
Pull. Pull.
Push.
There we
There
go.
you go. Time to get kaleidoscoping.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Wow,
I
wow,
cry.
wow, wow,
Cry
wow, wow.
me a river. Oh. Cry me a river.
Oh, I think I'm gonna throw up.
Oh, you're a dog,
Oh.
Cody. You've nothing to throw up.
Is that a turd?
No, he just threw up, didn't he see?
Oh, I didn't see that.
He just took a shit on the floor.
Oh, it looks like poo.
That's easy. We just have to get to the magic castle.
He took a shot. It were fucking what he is.
You built a magic castle.
Disgusting.
Yeah, you're not the only one in the family who can build cool stuff.
Oh, really?
Oh, I'm in pure tears.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
That thing right over there, that'll take us straight there.
That thing over there. That'll take us there. Yes.
Try.
Thank you.
Dang
Come on, let's clear
I'm
the way for
stressed.
the hand
Oh,
cart.
Jesus.
it. Ah,
We can't get
You just
going
said let's
until
clear the
we're
way.
okay. Oh, I'm not listening to him.
You're talking to yourself. We can't go anywhere with the barrier in the way. Ugh.
What do we do now?
Whee. Assassin's
We're
Creed.
Attack on Titan.
Oh my god, yeah.
About to get eaten by a big
Hey.
monster. Everyone thinks it's the main character.
The bridge is broken.
That was the Pepsi.
There she is. We're closing in.
Are we? Hello, little person. What do we do with this little person?
What am I supposed to do?
I thought I could walk on that wire. I played too much
Wait,
Assassin's
wait.
Creed. Oh, you can get on the wire.
Obviously.
Put it there. Nice.
You're not a real Creed player, you aren't. Yeah, right.
Right. Don't make me get my trophies out. There's another dude over here.
Oh my god, I'm like
Where does he go?
I'm literally like Ezio right now.
You're not facing the right way, you idiots. Face that way.
Oh, you can attach to the planes that are flying round.
Nice. But we need to focus.
But I'm hopping around
Can
the
we
building
spin?
just like an assassin.
There's another one up here. Ta-da.
I want to jump on one of these planes.
Haha.
Looks like it's working. I bet there's more.
I bet there's more. It looks like it's working.
Hey,
Well,
what's
what?
this?
This is what happens.
You just
when
got
get
eaten.
distracted.
You just got eaten.
Some bitch at me.
Crazy
Freedom.
balls.
Crazy balls.
Right, there must be some. Ooh. There must be some more little people with little circle bases. Oh, there's one.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Come here. What the hell?
I'm
Whee.
not doing anything. What are we supposed to do here? Because I'm not even distracted. I mean, I am distracted.
I'm doing it by myself because you're useless.
Oh, I fucking have enough of that.
Right, do I need to put the right
What?
people?
Are you playing with the little man?
I'm not playing with them. I'm doing the thing. Does she? Why is she bent over and got little hearts coming out of her? What's going on there? Is it me?
Hey, bitch. Is it me? Am I the
Look.
problem?
Look, she's got a little kissy face.
She's like, ooh, you just put
This
me right
one's
at
got
the
a
right
kissy
spot.
face too.
Bend
These
me
two are
over.
kissy faces.
Ooh.
Is it this one that goes here then? No, I imagine it's that one that goes there.
Is this like all about love?
Yeah, that's what the whole game is.
That's
Why does he face the
disgusting.
wrong way? It's ridiculous. No, he goes in this one. Ugh. Right. And he goes in this one. Yay!
Where does this one go?
Oh. The kissy one goes in here.
Oh, just threw it.
Kissy, kissy.
All right, now we just need someone to work the gate.
Surely. Yay!
Let's go.
You're so smart. Triangle,
So fucking
triangle,
good.
triangle.